So today our topic is ratio and proportion. We all know about ratio since school days. In this lecture we will solve some problems on ratio with shortcut tricks. If anyone need step-by-step guidance in Google Meet, they can contact this number. I took online classes on Google Meet. In these questions you have to apply shortcut tricks because time is limited. Here A is to B is given, okay, B is to C also given. You have to find A is to B is to C. A is to B, 2 is to 3, right here, 2 is to 3. B is to C, 4 is to 5, 4 is to 5. And then to find the value of A, simply multiply this side, 2 into 4, 2 into 4. To find the value of B, simply multiply 3 into 4, okay, 3 into 4. And to find the value of C, simply multiply 3 and 5, okay, 3 and 5. So the ratio is 8 is to 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15. So the ratio is 8 is to 12 is to 15. In same method, let us solve next question with shortcut trick, okay. A is to B given, B is to C given, and C is to D given. We have to find A is to B is to C is to D, okay. Write A is to B, 2 is to 3, okay. Write B is to C, 1 is to 2. Write C is to D, 5 is to 2, okay. To find the value of A, multiply these sides, 2, 1, 5, okay. 2 into 1 into 5. To find the value of B, multiply 3 into 1 into 5, okay. 3 into 1 into 5. To find the value of C, multiply 3 into 2 into 5, okay. Here 3 into 2 into 5. To find the value of D, multiply 3 into 2 into 2, this side, okay, 3 into 2 into 2. So D is equal to 3 into 2 into 2. So A is to B is to C is to D is 5 into 2, 10, 3 into 5, 15, and 3 into 2 into 5, 6 into 5, 30, and 3 into 2 into 2, 12. So move on to next question, okay. Now the ratio of ages A is to B is 5 is to 2. After 22 years, the age will become 7 is to 5. Don't solve this question by the conventional method, okay. The 5x plus 22 divided by 2x plus 22 is equal to 7 by 5. Don't use this method, okay. This will take long time, okay. So now the ratio is 5 is to 2. Apply shortcut trick, okay. Now the ratio is 5 is to 2. After 22 years, the ratio is 7 is to 5. At first find the gap, okay. Find the difference, numerator minus denominator. Here the numerator minus denominator is 5 minus 2, 3, and here gap is 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So 2 equal the gap, okay. Here multiply with 2 and here multiply with 3, okay. So now the number becomes 10, 4, and here 21, and 5 into 3, 15. And now the gap is 6. Here the gap is also 6. So now the gap is equal, okay. Now age of A is 10. After 11 years, age of A is 21, okay. 21 minus 10 equal to 11. Now age of A is 10, and after 11 years, age of A is 21, but here given is 22 years. So we have to make it 22. So simply multiply 11 into 2. Here also 11 into 2. Here also 2. Here also into 2. And here also into 2. So now the ratio become 10 into 2, 20. And 4 into 2, 8. And 21 into 2, 42. And 15 into 2, 30. Okay. Now the 22 years, it becomes After 22 years it becomes 42. Okay, so present age of B is 8. Present age of B is 8. This is the present age. Okay, this is the present ages and this is the after 22 year ages. Okay, look at the next question. This is type 2 question. Okay, and the previous questions was type 1 question. This is different kind of question. So the ratio of milk is to water is 3:1 in 20 liter. So the amount of milk is 3 by 4 into 20 in 20. Okay, 4 5 15. The amount of milk is 15 and the amount of water is 1 divided by 4 into 20, 5. Okay, after adding some milk, okay, after adding some milk the ratio becomes 4:1. 4:1. So after adding milk means the water is same. Here the water is 5 liter, so here also water should be 5 liter. Okay, to make it 5, simply multiply with 5. So here we have multiplied with 5, here also we have to multiply with 5 because it is ratio. Okay, so the ratio becomes 20 and 5 liter. Okay, 20 liter and 5 liters. So after adding some milk, okay, the value of milk is 20 liter and the value of water becomes 5 liters. So how much milk has been added? The milk has been added 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 liter. So how much milk must be added? 5 liter milk must be added to become the ratio 4:1. Okay, now look at this question. This is different kind of question. Okay, the ratio of milk is to water is 5:2. 5:2. Okay, now add 22 liter water and now the ratio is 7:5. Okay, adding 22 liter water means milk is same. Before and after milk is same. Okay, to make the milk is same. Okay, to make the milk is same we have to multiply here it 7 and we have to multiply here with 5. If we multiply here with 7, we have to multiply here with 7 also, and here we have to also multiply here with 5. Okay, and now the ratios become 35:14. Okay, and here 35 and 25. Now the milk is same. Okay, now both side the milk is same. Okay, and the difference of water is 11. Okay, after adding 11 liter of water the ratio now becomes 35 and 25. Okay, so here we have to make it 22 liter water, adding 22 liter water. So simply multiply with 2. Okay, so here also we have to multiply it with 2, here also, here also, here also. So now the numbers become here 70, here 28, here 70 and here 50. Okay, so after adding 22 liter water, now the water is 50 liter. Okay, so now the quantity of water is 50 liter. That's all for today. In the next lecture we will see more advanced problems on ratio. Okay, you have to practice any standard books to crack the examination. I just give you an idea how to solve with shortcut tricks. You have to practice a lot to crack the exam.